Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you what to do if your battery percentage is not showing on your Samsung Galaxy A51. So what you need to do is open up your settings, go down here to battery and device care, open up battery settings, down here to more battery settings, and make sure your show battery percentage is turned on. As you click on it, your battery percentage will be shown here, but if it's not working, you can try adding a widget on your screen. To do this, click and hold on your screen, click widgets, battery, and click on this add. And now you will see your battery percentage on your widget. That's it, thank you for watching, subscribe.